Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to iPhone SE 2022. First of all, go into App Store on iPhone and Play Store on Samsung. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app. Sorry, not that one, this one, from this developer. Following that, select Open. Now you need to choose Allow, then allow access to all photos, now allow again, and finally OK. After that, open the one on Samsung. And over here you just need to click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, choose receive on iPhone and send on Samsung. Now tap on all of those dots and select send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one file, just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on iPhone. Okay. What's going on? I will try to be a little more gentle. And it doesn't work. Oh, now it works, okay. Then select OK and point your device's camera at the code. But you can also much easier input this key here and choose receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, you need to choose OK apparently. And now my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!